everyone, guys. Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Good evening, everyone. My name is Afreen. I welcome you all to today's session. So, today is cash management service and it's important. This is Unit 11, Module A PPB. Okay, so we will be discussing all the aspects that are related with the cash management, how the cash is utilized, what are the main purpose for management of the cash, and it's important to the to the business or the corporate to which it is related. Okay, so I will be giving you the overview of the complete chapter, followed by some of the questions related to the explanation of this chapter. Okay, so kindly every banker who have joined this session, kindly please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, guys, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon. Let's start with the basic introduction. Now, what is the cash management? First of all, cash management refers to the collection, concentration and disbursement of the cash. Means it is regarded to the collection, concentration and disbursement of the cash. Okay, now it encompasses the level of liquidity, management of cash balance and short-term investment strategies. So when you are managing your cash flow, you are managing your liquidity. How? Means how you are collecting, how you are concentrating and how you are utilizing this cash. The complete process of managing cash is the cash management. Okay, so obviously it needs you to look in the level of liquidity, management of the cash balance and the short term investment strategy. Managing cash flow is a very crucial job of business manager. Now, fundamental objective of cash management is the optimization of liquidity through improved flow of fund. Means whatever the cash is in your economy, not in the economy, but it is in present in your business, to optimize the cash flow, to make the effective use of that cash flow for the better optimization of the liquidity. The cash management is there. So managing cash flow is actually a very crucial job of the business manager. So the main objective, the very important objective of the cash management is the optimization of liquidity and to ensure that there should be enough flow of fund throughout the organization. Okay, now next, if we talk about the developments in the cash management system, so there are different developments in the cash management system. First of all, for example, there have been an upward trend in the interest rates that increase the opportunity cost of holding the cash. Means if we talk about the cash management, see, there are increased interest rate in the economy. Means if you are not keeping the cash in the ideal situation and you are investing this cash in different resources, then you are earning a high rate of return, and thus you're holding cash. Your opportunity cost of holding cash, opportunity cost of holding cash means cost which you are incurring for keeping that cash in an ideal form is actually increasing. Because see, if you keep the cash in the ideal form, then obviously you miss the opportunity to earn from the high rate of interest which is offered in market. So obviously with the rising in the trend in the interest rate, there is the opportunity cost of holding the cash is actually higher than the rest. Okay, next, if we talk about the different thing in the cash management system, for example, there is an introduction of computerized settlement of clearing transaction. There is MICR technology. There is intercity clearing facility. There is high volume clearing facility. There is electronic clearing services. NEFT, RTGS, these are significant ways of managing the cash. You all know that we have introduced different electronic methods for the cash payment. For example, NEFT, for example, RTGS, for example, there is MICR, for example, there are different technologies which are introduced for the management of the cash. So now next, so if we talk about the types of the cash management service, okay, So type of the cash management service. What are the different types of the cash management service? A number of banks in India are offering wide ranging cash management service. So there are different banks which are offering different types of cash management service throughout the country. For example, there are private sector bank, public sector bank, payment bank, foreign banks. Every banks, these are actively engaged in the cash management system. Product offered by the bank. Now, what are the product that has been offered by the bank for the cash management system? First of all, there is a cash collection center. So for example, bank which have to deal with the various type of customer to meet the specific requirement of the customer, there is a cash collection service also. Means there is a different cash collection center or cash collection services which is offered to the customer. So customer need not to carry their cash from the home to the office, but this actually involves a lot of risk. You know that if you are carrying cash, obviously risk is there. So there are cash collection services that is offered by the bank. Means you are getting the ease of collecting the cash. So bank has implemented various cash solution for the customers. So this helps to minimize the operational risk. Obviously, if you are carrying the cash, there is the operational risk which is involved in this. Next, direct credit by fund transfer. So this enables management in respect of supply chain management. Means if you have to pay to different individuals which are actually living overseas, if you are engaged in the foreign trade, so to clear that foreign trade immediately, to settle the payment immediately, there is a direct credit fund facility that has been offered by different banks. Okay. Next, there is a check and DD drawing arrangement. You all know about checks. Means the bank is offering you the check facility. If you want to manage your cash, you know, need not to necessarily go to the bank, use your ATM, withdraw your cash, and then pay to another one. There is a check facility. You can just directly write a check in the name of the beneficiary, and the check has been cleared by the bank. So this actually eliminates the risk of having the cash in your hand. Okay, so there are check, there is demand draft facility in which if you want to transfer any amount immediately to another person, there is a demand draft. There is the demand draft which allowed the intercity transactions also. So these are all part of the cash management. Now, NEFT payment electronic channels. So to facilitate bulk disbursement credit to various beneficiaries having accounts in various banks across the country. Receivable management, check collection centers, there are payment facilities and auto swiping facility also. What is auto sweeping facility? See, if you have a good amount of fund that is in the ideal position in your saving or deposits account, the bank can auto sweep that amount into those account or those things which actually yield you the high interest rate. For example, you often receive the call from different banks that, okay, ma'am, you have some balance in your account, and if you are not utilizing this balance, just convert it into the term deposit so that you can earn more interest from that. So this is the auto sweeping facility. Banks sometimes auto sweep your funds which are in the ideal position to actually yield you better, to actually give you a better return. So these are the type of the cash management services that are offered by to you by different banks and financial institutions. Okay, now what are the challenges and issues of the cash management? So obviously, when there is a ease, there are some disadvantages also. Yes or no? Because if there are various facilities like NEFT, like RTGS, and like any other electronic payment like foreign trade payments, now it comes with its own challenges and with its own issues. So let us discuss some of the challenges and issues which we are facing in the cash management system. Abhishek, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just please, everyone, like and share the video, guys. If you haven't like and share the video, just guys, please like and share the video to the maximum you can. Okay, please. Now, first, we need to comprehend the client line of activity. It means what? See, bankers need to understand the accounting and control side of the client's business. Means if you are aware with your client business, then obviously you can good a better service. You can give a better services to the customer. So if my bank is aware that how much cash I need and what is the type of business I'm engaged with, so obviously they can serve me better. That is the challenges and issues. Next, provision of other advisory service to the client. This company would like that the bank will solve certain other but related problems. Changing system is a major initiative with far-reaching implication to the countries. Bankers cannot work with a standard solution always because customer do not pose a standard problem. See, always bank has some specification and some guidelines, and they can guide customer according to that guideline. But this is again a challenge because see, every customer has its own need, every customer has its own query and own challenges. So if you means bank is giving a predetermined set of rules for that customer for solving the queries of that customer, it is not working for every customer. Every customer has its own nature, every customer has its own challenges, and to specify the customer according to their challenges is the challenge that the bank is facing right now. So bank need to cater each and every customer separately because each and every customer has different query. A predetermined set rules and condition doesn't justify all the customer at once, or just doesn't say doesn't satisfy all the customer at once. Okay. Next, decision regarding the sourcing of software. So, software application for online banking as well as online cash management. First of all, see, there are cash management applications which a bank can use. So, this can be in source also, means you are building your own software, as well as this can be outsourced also. But the bank need to ensure the safety of this cash management application which the bank is coming with. Okay. Now, special consideration to small and medium companies. So obviously, banks are always in India. If we talk about the corporate sector, they are dominated by large industries. So in this race, there are some medium and small industries which are ignored, which are left uh, unsolved, and that's why banks should take the initiative to cater the need of this small and medium enterprises also. They should ensure that there should be an enough flow of fund to the small and medium enterprises as well. Okay, that's so that all the corporate sector will go evenly, will grow evenly. So if you are not providing the cash or the loan facility to small and medium enterprises, this will cause more wealth differentiation between high and medium and low sector, and this actually leads to the mismanagement of the cash because the rich can get richer and the poor get poorer. So the bank need to what? Financially include each and everyone to the financial sector. Okay. Now next, a coordinated activity should be there, means in developing cash management solution, bank need to cooperate with the financial controller and their staff. Means they have to coordinate with the staff and controllers. Okay, in order to what? In order for the cash management. Security and risk management. What are the securities and what are the risk managements? So securities and trust should be there while managing the cash. So these are some of the challenges that a bank is facing in the cash management environment. Okay, now let us discuss with some of the practice question. Guys, everyone just please keep on liking and sharing the video, guys. Okay, now, first of all, which of the following denotes the cash management services? First, holding minimum cash at branches. Second, providing adequate cash at ATM. Third, providing solution to optimize liquidity of the corporate. None of the above. Which of the following denotes the cash management services? Everyone, which of the following denotes the cash management service? holding minimum cash at branches, providing adequate cash at ATM, providing solution to optimize liquidity of the corporate, or none of the above. So the correct answer is obviously providing the solution to optimize the liquidity of the corporate is the main objective of the cash management service. Next, a firm cash program is aimed at accelerating cash inflow and controlling cash outflow. It is true or false, everyone? It is true or false? Everyone, just please answer the question. Very easy. It is very easy. Okay, a firm cash program is aimed at accelerating. Obviously, you are accelerating means increasing the cash inflows in the corporate and controlling the cash outflow. This is the correct statement of the cash management. So this is a very short and very cute and very easy chapter. Okay, cash management service. Okay, I hope that you have all enjoyed this session. So, guys, as you all know, this is your JAIIB and CAIIB team, everyone. Okay, so this is a team for you all, and we are dedicated towards your examination, every cycle of the examination. So there is a November and December examination cycle is there, and we have launched many paid as well as free patches on the YouTube as well as on the app as well. So guys, if you want to have the badges, just please go and take the super elite subscription. So super elite subscription क्यों recommend करते हैं हम educators आपको, because ये subscription एक इकलौता बहुत है, इसमें आपको अलग से कुछ कोर्सेज बाय करने की जरूरत नहीं है। अगर आप 12 महीने का सुपर एलीट सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब ये है एवरी न्यू बैचेस जो भी इस टाइम पीरियड के अंदर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे वो सब आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलेंगे अंडर दिस सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री fee. Okay, but if you want to purchase a single subject also, there is a facility for that also. You can purchase the single subject also. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Then take care everyone. Thank you so much for joining this session. If you like the session, please share and like the video, and if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much guys. Till then, take care everyone. Bye bye guys. Take care. Bye everyone. Take care.